Norway's coastal cuisine is a treasure trove of fresh seafood in warm waffles. Simple, yet rich, the combination is a staple of Norwegian food culture. Fresh catches of salmon and cod are often paired with traditional waffles. Brown cheese, a Norwegian favorite, is also a common accompaniment. The coastal simplicity of Norway's cuisine is reflected in its dishes. Norwegian seafood and waffles are a match made in culinary heaven. Chefs carefully prepare each dish, ensuring the freshest ingredients are used. Hands move deftly as they cook traditional food with precision and care. In a Norwegian seafood and waffles restaurant, the atmosphere is cozy. Street food stalls and market vendors also serve up the tasty combination. The smell of freshly cooked waffles and seafood wafts through the air. The result is a truly unique and delicious culinary experience always. Norwegian seafood is renowned for its freshness and quality always. Salmon and cod are staples in the coastal cuisine of Norway. Brown cheese is a traditional ingredient often paired with seafood. Waffles are a surprising yet delicious complement to seafood dishes. Chefs in Norway take great pride in preparing traditional seafood meals. Fresh ingredients are essential in creating authentic Norwegian cuisine. Norwegian seafood restaurants serve a variety of fish dishes daily. Cod is often served with boiled potatoes and carrots in Norway. Salmon is typically grilled or pan-seared to perfection always. Waffles are made with simple ingredients like flour and sugar mostly. Street food vendors in Norway offer a range of seafood and waffles. Food market stalls showcase the freshest seafood and warm waffles available. Norwegian waffles often feature brown cheese and fresh seafood toppings. Traditional waffle irons are used to cook the waffles to a crispy perfection. Chefs carefully select the freshest salmon and cod for their dishes. Seafood and waffles are a classic combination in Norwegian coastal cuisine. Waffle recipes are passed down through generations of Norwegian families. Fresh ingredients are essential for creating authentic Norwegian waffles. Norwegian seafood is renowned for its quality and flavor profile. Waffles are typically served with a variety of seafood options available. Brown cheese adds a rich and creamy element to the waffles. Norwegian chefs take great pride in their traditional waffle-making techniques. Coastal simplicity is a key element of Norwegian seafood and waffle cuisine. Restaurants and street food vendors showcase the best of Norwegian seafood and waffles. Brown cheese is a staple in Norwegian cuisine, often served with seafood. Norwegian brown cheese has a distinctive nutty flavor and smooth texture. Chefs combine brown cheese with fresh seafood for a unique taste experience. Traditional Norwegian waffles are made with simple ingredients like flour and eggs. Waffle irons are used to create the signature crispy edges and soft centers. Street food vendors offer a variety of waffle toppings, including brown cheese. Freshly caught salmon and cod are commonly used in Norwegian seafood dishes. Restaurants showcase the best of Norwegian seafood, with a focus on simplicity. Chefs carefully prepare each dish, highlighting the natural flavors of the ingredients. Norwegian seafood and waffles are often served together, a classic combination. The contrast between the warm waffles and cold seafood is a delight to the senses. From restaurants to street food stalls, Norwegian seafood and waffles are a beloved tradition. Norwegian chefs expertly prepare seafood for waffle pairings daily. Fresh salmon and cod are staples in coastal Norwegian cuisine always. Brown cheese adds a rich flavor to many traditional waffle dishes there. Waffle irons sizzle with butter as chefs cook up a storm inside. Restaurants serve seafood and waffles with a side of tangy slaw too. Street food stalls offer a quick bite of seafood and waffle goodness always. Food market stalls showcase the freshest ingredients for dishes daily. Chefs carefully balance flavors to create perfect seafood and waffle plates. Traditional Norwegian recipes are passed down through generations carefully. The simplicity of coastal cuisine lies in its fresh and local ingredients used. Norwegian seafood and waffles are a match made in culinary heaven somehow. Coastal simplicity is the key to the success of this beloved tradition clearly. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe for more.